I wonder what's this hiding underneath here. Now I'm sure you all know. Yes, it's the Supra. So yes, there's not been much progress going on with this because I was waiting for parts. She looks cleaner though. Let's give her a quick uncover. Paintwork looking alright, man. Well, not the best, but you saw how it was. Missed a few bits, but anyways, let me get to the point, yeah? So the reason why it's not actually had any progress, apart from me doing the paintwork and making it look a bit cleaner, is because I've been waiting for the parts. So let me show you what parts I was waiting for. I've been waiting for this, mate. So what we got here is a 255 in-tank Walbro fuel pump, what I purchased off eBay, and do you know what? It doesn't state it on there, but it will do the trick. It comes as a kit, and it's brand spanking new, and comes with all the fittings, the filters. It's even got the plug for the power, Jubilee clips, literally everything that you need. Look at that, even pipes and, like I said, filters, everything to do the job. And yeah, that's exactly what I needed, thankfully. So we're gonna get it fitted up. So in the meantime, just get the car high enough to spray some shizzle on it. Yes mate, free up them nuts and bolts. So literally, do you know what, in the meantime, just spray it up everywhere where all these nuts and bolts you need to take off, and yeah, just leave it for the day. Perfect day to work on the Supra. Right, before you start, you gotta get your axle stands so you're safe, man, you know what I mean? Because yeah, it's a bit of a serious job. I'm gonna undo this, drain out the fuel. Yeah, I've got that container, so hopefully that should do the trick. So yeah, gonna start off with that. I've literally just started. As you can see, a bit of fuel coming through, but that's rounding off. Underneath the carpet, you got this little plate, 3 screws. Undo these. Right. On some of the videos, what I've noticed, right, people have difficulties undoing these. It end up breakings. So I kind of followed it, right? This is the way I'm gonna try doing it. And instead of taking it off from there, right, basically the pipe goes down there to up here. Well, where my hands are, there's like a banjo, so I'm gonna undo it from there. All you need is a short 17 and basically getting a good enough angle, which is up that way sort of thing, and give it a wee bit of leverage and you can undo it. And watch out for the fuel. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Undo those, and yeah, basically pop this off. Right, this is pretty simple enough. You don't have to fight against it. Pull that down, right, and it should literally ease off like that. That weren't bad at all. Literally, let me show you. Remember that pipe what I said is corroded? I didn't even touch it. See, there's the banjo where I undone it from. Didn't even have to do that. 1 fuel tank. yeah, but obviously I've got to clean that up, get to the fuel pump itself to replace it. But yeah, if you see down here, I just noticed it's brand new tyre off fuel straps. It looks a bit nasty down here, so I might give it a bit clean, but other than that, yeah, we're good to replace the fuel pump. That's one fuel tank out, and I've done it by myself. Oh yeah, while the fuel tank's out, I need to get this welded up because it's a bit rusty in a few certain areas. So yeah, before I even get the fuel tank back in, it's going in for welding.